Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you again from the depth of my heart. And I can't thank enough. Whatever I have achieved is because of your classes, especially the labor ward prioritization. It was a savior for me. I had no clue what I was doing or about to do in the exam, but your labor ward really helped me. And that's one major reason why I'm here today. So, again, thank you so much, ma'am. And I think more than that, I appreciate your dedication you have for your students. So whenever, whatever time I used to ask you any doubts, used to call you, you were always there. There was a time I had planned some last moment classes with you. You were even ready for that. So that's a, remarkable thing. I have, hardly seen that kind of dedication. So thank you again, ma'am, from my heart.
Frankly speaking, Adam, any relation is always two ways. This is what I understand.
Yes.
So how student responds, how student performing, that also motivate us as a mentor. So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
way you were in your very first session in labor ward prioritization, I would say almost sure that you are going to succeed it. You had that capability because see, you can see even when you came after exam, you remember you were speaking to me and you
Yes.
were not looking very confident.
Yeah, yeah.
And I told you, don't be so upset because you were really good. Because I had so many students in labor ward prioritization, but I can definitely pick few about them. I would say 99% confident that they should clear exam. So you see, you were already polished because you take DNB classes yourself, no? So,
Yeah.
so you had that tinge, I would say, of speaking,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So that helped you a lot. So it
Yes.
was all my pleasure to have you, frankly speaking, Aram. It was last Movement Association, frankly speaking,
Yes. Yes.
and I was speaking to Anusha on that day that thank God Aram has cleared exam because she was asking for
Yeah.
courses, and I first said her that yes, then I said no because of the time constraint. If
Mm.
something would have happened
Yeah, yeah.
wrong with her, she would
Oh
have
God.
killed me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, ma'am, I understand completely because it was partly my fault also. Last moment, couple of things happened, just like what's happening right now with Anusha. At that time, my mother-in-law was also suddenly ill. She was hospitalized in the last
You
few
told.
days. It was sudden a game changer for me. Because had it not happened, I would have, literally pressurized you to take my classes because I was really enjoying with you. The structure is something which I go for. Everybody knows the answer, but the moment you are more planned, things you might even in the exam, ma'am. That like for example, this time I'll tell you, I made notes, mostly those notes after like speaking with you also and my research work. So I thought everything can't be just in the air; it has to be written down somewhere even in the first session, like remember before the going for the session, I told you, okay, ma'am, in the first two, stations, I'm blank. I don't know what to speak. But even in my first station, when I was speaking on von Willebrand's disease, my day came pretty tough, ma'am. I would say it was von Willebrand's
So
disease and Fowler syndrome, and I don't know what all
one day was very
anorexia,
difficult.
nervosa, and all that had come. Yes, yes, ma'am. So even in the first session, ma'am, by the I think third, fourth minute, I was pretty settled. I knew what I was going and telling, but somehow after the exam, I felt I did not satisfy the role players. And for me, it was a big thing that maybe if they are not happy, then maybe we'll not get marks. So that was my big concern. But thankfully, what happened for the good ma'am. And
No,
the
in this
structure,
exam, what I have realized that most of the students were giving this feedback that role player were not happy. All
yeah.
the role players were looking quite unhappy, unsatisfied. I think this time this was the instruction given to them that you have
Okay.
not to show that okay, overwhelming or you're very happy. Because mostly what was happening earlier, that role player was showing that
Yeah.
emotions. So most
Okay.
of the students were coming, okay, my role player was very happy. See,
Mhm.
now college is also very smart because they know there are so many courses running, and so they are making this exam
Tougher.
every day difficult.
Mm.
Every day it is like it is going to be difficult than the previous one. In this
Mm.
exam, what I have noticed that it was like mostly it were recalls. Mostly
Yes.
they given all the recalls, but the problem was that they have given many hidden agendas. Role players were very interactive. They were
Mm.
asking many questions,
Yes.
and few students were not prepared for that. This I always say that never prepare task, always
Mm.
prepare topic.
Topic. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
It is not that you are supposed to make 10 minutes template. You should make
Mm.
ideally 20 minutes template, thinking whatever question she is going to ask, you have to have a ready answer for that.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. That's
You were
true.
saying something.
Yeah, I was saying that, ma'am, like we have prepared something in a different way and they ask a question completely different. So
Yes.
by the time I'm finishing off telling them one thing good that I did, ma'am, and that I'd like to tell my other students who are preparing right now will be that give them room to speak. Give them a lot of room to speak. Finish your station fast because they will have their own agenda.
Yeah,
So keeping, just keep speaking and thinking that what you've prepared, written down is going to match the key. That's not true. Give them time. So
that's
that's one only good thing which I felt I did was I finished the station fast and then I was any further concerns you have? Have I satisfied your concerns? This question I asked 2, 3 times because I had the time to ask. I felt that worked. And 2, 3 times in vulnerable disease, she asked the same thing that, okay, ma'am, if I do only this much, I'll be fine. If I just go by this monitoring, I'll be fine. And I was not understanding what exactly more she wants. I said everything. And then I repeated my answer. And this is what made me feel that coming out of the examination hall, that my God, I was just repeating my answer. Maybe she wanted something else and it's not clicking my mind. So that is why I was feeling that I don't know if I did not satisfy. 2, 3, role players were satisfied, but most of them were like asking the same question. Pain management, I told you, hysteroscopy, ma'am.
yeah, correct.
Again and again. Pain, then it'll be fine. If this happens, then it'll be fine. Any other options that I have, I told her GA also. And she's still asking. And then I said, pain management team I'll involve. When I said is
I
we'll make sure
remember
that.
that we have discussed this task like in a length after your
Yeah.
exam, and you were just talking about this task only. I remember.
Yes. So I was thinking and rethinking what she wants. Then you told me that then another dog has come. So, ma'am, I think the dogs also need to be given due importance because these days they're asking a couple of questions from there, not just the GTG. I think now they know that we know GTG. So,
No, now they are more giving importance to talk for sure. And earlier they were not publishing so many talks. Now every now and then, almost every month, at least 1 or 2 dogs they are publishing. So
yes,
it's very important that you have to have complete summary of that talk, because in that talk it's not necessarily the task you are thinking it is going to be that way. It can
yes.
be any way. So if you have prepared that topic, it's very, very easy to cover any task. So I would like you to give the very important message which you have given, that because most of the times what I've seen is students, okay, my role play was not allowing me to speak at all. I always say that let her
Let
speak.
them speak. Let them speak. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
okay. Let her finish her. Let her vent out her feelings. Let her come up with her all grievances and her requirement. How will
Yes,
I cover my task in 10 minutes? Probably, if you come to know what exactly she is looking for, you'll
yes,
be able to finish your task even much earlier than 8, 9.
yes, yes. Just give her time to speak because
Yes,
she's going to cover most of the things. And ma'am, they help you also
correct.
because when you're taking history, they'll give you that kind of feedback that this is an irrelevant question to my topic. Yeah, that is fine. Yes, ma'am, that is fine. So you know that you're going in the wrong direction.
Wrong
So
way.
that means they help you also.
Definitely. So one thing which normally the very usual perception that role players are very difficult. I always say that role players are your friends. If
Yes.
you are deviating from the right track, they try to bring you
Back.
on track. So
Yes.
do not take it that way. Okay, why she was interrupting me? She was interrupting you because you were not on right path. So
Yes.
do always take your role player, your examiner as your friend, and
Friend.
whatever advice, whatever direction they are giving, you have to follow that. So before ending, I just want 5, 6 tips which you would like to give all upcoming aspirants for MRCG Part 3.
First of all,
First, how did you start preparing your template? How did you summarize everything? How did you were you taking printout? Whatever you're doing, which you think can be a help for any student.
yes.
Yeah.
So ma'am, for me, what worked out most was that I started because I had very less time. So I started with understanding that this kind of recalls have come. So
First, tell
first,
me how many months you really
ma'am,
took
I
to
had only
prepare?
2 months actually,
2
but
months.
I'll say that I had a background of MRCPI as well, so I knew what I'm doing. So
Hmm.
if you have to start afresh, I think 3 to 4 months should be it.
Okay.
Starting from scratch, I think you need more 4 months to be
4
on the
months.
safer side.
Okay. Okay.
So first of all, a recall topic list is very important because as we have seen, most of the topics were recall. I
Recall.
think I would say 80 to 90% were recalls in my case, even
Correct.
when mine was a little difficult session.
Yeah, your day was difficult for
Yeah,
sure.
my day was just a little difficult. So recalls are a must. You have a list of the recalls, especially the latest ones, that is to be there. start making the templates. And what worked for me was that whenever I was taking one case, I would write down everything, ma'am. Matlab, it took time, but it helped me towards the end a lot. Like, how will I start? What questions will I ask? How will I take the history? What I don't have to miss in the history? At
Absolutely perfect.
examination, there are any salient points which I have to just mention and go ahead. And till the end, ma'am, I mean, covering her follow-up, contraception, when will I call her back, and then giving her the patient information leaflet, everything I would write down in small towards the end. That what last few points I have to say, and I would write down again and again and again every station. And everybody, ma'am, kind of revises the station definitely before going. But the more you revise the same thing again and again, the more it stays in your mind, and that works towards the exam.
Definitely.
Labor ward,
It comes as a spinal reflex, actually.
yes, ma'am. It becomes your spinal, and that's what you have to make, because if it's not spinal, it will not click at the
Yes,
time of
correct.
examination.
Absolutely perfect.
It
Yeah.
will not come back.
Yeah.
And the second thing is, for labor ward is a dreaded for everyone. I will urge, not only because ma'am is in front of me, I'll urge everyone to join ma'am's classes, because the way she takes labor ward, nobody does it. Nobody does it. And had I not, at the right time, I got it. Had I known it towards last fag end, I might have not taken it, because last moment that you have your own reflexes made and you don't want to change it. So I just got to know her labor ward thing at the right time. That clicked. We practiced, though I joined a little late, ma'am's class, but we practiced a lot. She makes you so structured and asking questions that, though I was jittery, I was not forgetting my basics. I was asking any further questions, ma'am. I mean, she could not have made out how nervous I am. The examiner would not have.
That's the art which you have to learn before, because
Oh
it's
God.
not possible that you are appearing an exam and you're not nervous.
I was jittery,
Impossible.
but I was very confident to see at the outside, and I was not forgetting my questions. I mean, what I have to ask. Okay, this. I'm trying to understand it, though my labor word is also a little, I don't know, patchy and not the way it is to be. Mostly the questions were delivered women. So it was, I don't know what to do now. How can this be a labor ward? You're not doing anything in CTG. You're not doing anything for labor care guide, and the normal principles were not there. So that was the thing. And so definitely labor ward ma'am is the best. I think it's not just because I'm here in this session. Otherwise also, I'll say the same thing to my juniors, colleagues, whosoever is friends, whoever is taking up and thinking about MRCOG 3. And revision, again, revise, re-revise. That's very important. And the guidelines are important, very important. GTG, you need to know, like ma'am just said, topic has to be prepared, station not has to be prepared. So if you have anything else apart from, like, the role players, they're very specific. I just gave you an example. My station was hysteroscopy, so you start thinking about telling her the complications and fluid overload, sitting, double sitting. You might have to call her certain injury to the. I could not reach there, ma'am. I could not speak that, because she was already so scared about pain, and I didn't want to scare her even further. That there may be injury to the cervix, that's also a possibility. Injury to the uterus, also a possibility. So I kept to the pain
You
only.
didn't try to fix your agenda. You were more concentrating on her agendas. So that was the best point.
Yes, that's ma'am. And you finish your history fast. That everybody says that it's not possible when you're practicing, but it is actually possible in exam. It happens because the role players give you a lot of hint. So don't worry. Whosoever's watching
How much
this,
time did you take approximately in each station for completing your information gathering?
I think 3-4 minutes I used to finish my history, because I had a lot of time to talk to them. I mean, I never.
4 minutes is like it's a perfect this thing timing, because you get 6 minutes for your second part of the task. That is more than enough. So that's fantastic, actually.
But ma'am, one more thing I'll tell you. While I was practicing, it never used to happen this way. My history used to go.
One more thing I want to ask, because this is very common question, that few students, they do not find study partner, or they do not find study partner like matching their timing, their wives or whatever. So they feel very this thing that if we do not have study partners, impossible to clear part 3. What's your opinion about it?
I don't think so, ma'am. I will not say that, because it was not me. I had study partner, but I'll tell you, one of my very brilliant friends, she was there with me in MRCOG 2. She's actually in UK. So she has all her friends in India. So she could not get any study buddy, and she passed. She passed in her first attempt.
Even I was not having any study buddy. None of the study buddy was like more than for 1 day or 2 days.
Yes.
Eventually, last 1.5 months, I started studying on my own, presenting to myself and mirror and this thing. So
Yes.
even I don't agree with this that you have to have study buddy, you have to have a study partner if you want to. So, okay,
No.
that too. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Any
So,
other myth which you want to clear? Because there are many myths about a part 3 MRCOG, that if you do this, if you do that. So what are the myths you think that you should clear? So that can be help for upcoming students.
I think the only myth that I would say is that don't feel that this role play is dissuading you or trying to take a lot of time. Let them speak. Actually, they're to help you only.
Yeah.
I felt in my center both the examiners and the role players were very friendly. And I had a very bad opinion earlier on. That's a brutal exam. People are very,
Yeah.
rough and tough with you and all that. You have to take it with a pinch of salt just in case it is like that.
Yeah,
And
if
most
it
of the
is
time,
angry husband, if an angry patient, it is going to be that way, no?
oh, that is the station only. Then that case, that is what is being judged.
Yeah.
That's how you're able to like cool
Yes.
the
Calm him down, calm her
positively calm
down. How
yourself.
you keep your calm. In
Yes.
spite of repeated question, arguments, allegations, are you able to keep yourself calm down? That's the task all
Yes.
about.
The tone has to be very mellowed all the time. No matter what's going on in front of you, don't get,
Your tone has to be little bit at least one. I don't know how
decibel
to
lower.
measure it. Yeah, lower than the your
Yes.
role play. You can't be higher than that. Either
Yes.
you have
Show
to
a
match
lot of
or it has to be
empathy.
lower.
Show a lot of empathy, show by of expressions. I think that
Yeah,
you're really
body
understanding the
language.
patient and you're with the patient, that empathy works. Because, ma'am, one thing I'd like to say, which I remarked in my exam, there is a key in front of each examiner. And most of the time, with the speed that you are speaking, they're not able to mark that
Correct.
key. So it happens many times that if you are performing very well, certain things which you might not have spoken, they will mark it because they could not catch up with you. I felt that ways.
But
That
there's one drawback of this kind of marking as well.
Hmm.
See, they have like information gathering, applied clinical knowledge, patient safety, all domains separately with their checkbox. That's why I always say whatever is important pertaining to that task, always ask in HOPI. Because
Yes.
sometimes what happens that you are not able to remember that you are asking in late in information getting, sometime in second part of the task, probably in
Hmm.
spite of cover. See, you have to give that benefit of doubt of human error.
Yes.
That
Yes.
probably you are mentioning it there and
Yeah.
they are not able to take it in information gathering. So that is one thing very, very important.
Yes.
Especially, I always say whatever is pertaining to tasks, you should always speak in HOPI because they are not going to give this checkbox for all information gathering routine one.
No.
They are
No.
going to give only the which
Important one.
is important or related to that task. So
Yes,
if you
definitely.
speak, like if there is say ectopic pregnancy, speak about endometriosis, speak about appendectomy, speak
Hmm.
about copper T, speak about genital tuberculosis and HUPI itself. You will
Yes.
get all the things.
Yes.
Okay. Any other suggestion?
Uh, yes, because the examiners, what I felt, ma'am, that at some point in time I was speaking. I was continuously speaking and they were not marking me. They'd already marked those points and I'm still asking them those points. So
Hmm.
then I realized that they have a standard key. I've already asked those points. They've already assessed me that this girl, she knows or she does not know. She knows, they know by now.
Correct.
And now they're not marking. They're just sitting and observing me. Then,
Okay.
okay, uske baad I asked so many questions and I counseled her so much after that. But they were not marking.
Probably by then all check boxes were ticked.
Maybe, yes. Maybe. I hope so. I hope so. Now I think.
Obviously, that's why I'm here. No.
I now think that way. Earlier I was thinking they have lost interest. This girl doesn't know
No, no,
anything.
no.
Forget
The
it. So,
simple meaning is that because you have cleared the exam. So
hmm,
now if we see retrospective, the probably whatever
yes.
you were supposed to speak, you had already spoken in the beginning in 3, 4, 5 minutes. So they had nothing left with them to take.
Hmm.
So they were just looking at you, probably judging you for global scoring or marking.
Yeah, that first one was that this lay examiner center,
The
ma'am.
examiner, yeah. What was that task?
That Von Wilbrand, ma'am,
Okay.
was a lay examiner was there. In Von Wilbrand, it was there. Anorexia nervosa, there was a lay examiner. Then there was one more, ma'am, hydrosalpinx, and then we had to give her options for her IVF and surrogacy, adoption, and all that.
Fertility, yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So how
something.
you are going to summarize your experience as a student appearing in part 3 MRCOG, and how you feeling now after
I think
results?
that experience is a very fulfilling experience. It started with a lot of struggle, a lot of doubt on myself, a lot of hard work, and then a lot of, I would say, good by my mentors. All the mentors have like poured in their bits. I have taken, their excellent points from each of them
Each of you.
and probably amalgamated them into one,
One.
and it really helped me in this journey. Part of it also by making structured notes, like I said, that really helps towards the end, that helps to form the basis. So that would
Helps
be
in revision actually.
helps a
Because
lot in
first time
revision.
it may take 2 hours, 3 hours to prepare one template, but eventually it will take 2 minutes to revise.
Yes, my study buddies were not making these kind of notes, and they would, get irritated sometimes
No,
studying with, because
they
I
were
would
doing
slow them
absolutely
down
right.
writing the notes. Okay, please wait, wait. Some of them enjoyed it, some of them did not, and I had like two, three of them because one of them was in UK, one of them was Oman, one of them in India. So
I
when
think timing is also a task.
yes. So some of them, most of them are like working. So if they are working, I would catch somebody else because the time difference. I'll
Yeah.
catch that person, study with them. Because alone, I would waste a lot of time. That is, initially, I would take them. And towards the end, ma'am, it happened in such a way that they wanted to study. And I said, no, this
I
time,
don't have.
now let it be alone. Because everybody knows where they are,
So that
lacking.
was your turn actually.
Because ma'am, now last moment, you have to revise what you feel you are
Yes, yes.
bad in.
Last 1 month you
You
will
can't
study
revise
yourself.
last moment, you should study yourself. But while I was making these notes, I would catch hold of them, and
Hmm.
you study everything and make notes. So some of them enjoyed, some of them didn't, but notes help me. That's what I'd like to say. So mentors, they tell you a lot. Okay, this thing has to be done from here. No, this in this station, you have to give importance to this particular thing. Why are you asking this history? You're wasting your time. That every tip is important
Fun.
because they are experienced people. I think everybody should take you decide yourself what you feel is important. Like I didn't have a lot of time, ma'am, so I took last minute sessions. So that now that it worked for me, I can say that even 2 months is sufficient, but only for a person who has a good backing, who already knows what they are doing. But otherwise, 3 to 4 months is the safest bet when you're going in for such a huge respectable exam. I think give it the respect of time as well, because you will eventually feel burdened. So take it easy, take it nice, enjoy the journey. That's my message to everyone.
Very
Thank you so much,
welcome.
ma'am, once again.
Always welcome, madam. And
You've
I
been
am
my
not
savior.
surprised. Frankly speaking, I'm not surprised. And I was waiting that you'll give me good news anytime. So it was,
Yeah.
but I'm really, really happy because you were very hardworking. That I can make out easily. That you were putting
Yes.
even when we were used to take live session, you never sat like this or relaxing. You were
Hmm.
always like this and writing something. So it's
Yes.
see, being a mentor, we see so many students, so it's very easy to judge only from body language how sincere that particular student. I've
Thank you.
never seen you leaning somewhere, though sometimes a class we used to start very late and it used to take
Yes, it used
hours
to go late. Yes, 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 ma'am.
but you were always attentive, sitting and writing. So see, I personally feel hard work always pays off.
Yes, it is. That's right.
Hard work never get wasted. That's for sure. That's for
Yes,
sure.
yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, and so are you going to attend that ceremony in UK or somewhere in India?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Definitely. For MRCG, I'm going. Definitely. Yes, ma'am.
That is such a beautiful experience.
Yes.
Though I didn't go to London, I was there in Delhi also because Delhi is just hardly half an hour from my
Hmm.
place. But what an experience! In
Yes.
like part one, part two, part three, the tough time they give you,
Yeah. Yeah.
they literally, I have no words to express my feeling. They literally, pamper you. You just,
Hmm.
so many Britishers are clapping for you, and
Yeah.
you know, they make you feel so important, so
Yes.
important that that half an hour ceremony
Yes,
is
ma'am.
is a lifetime like moment you will
Yeah.
cherish rest of your life. And do
Yes.
make a video because I was not able to make a video. My kids were like, men were looking like this. And I was
Yeah.
so upset, why didn't you make a video? So they were like,
Yeah.
because it was yous and Britishers, and it was an awesome experience. Do
Beautiful.
not miss that. Make
Definitely.
a video for sure. That
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
because that is something which you are going to miss later on.
And ma'am, we will keep in touch. It's not over.
Of
We will
course,
keep in
and of
touch.
course. You see, I respect you for that fact as well, that you are yourself a mentor and
Yeah.
you understand the pain of a mentor, like
Yes, ma'am.
teaching small student or teaching all the grown up gynecologists who have very good practice is not easy to match up, like your wife, sometimes your their anger, our anxiety, their anxiety, or sometimes it's very difficult to portray yourself low. I'm your mentor, whatever is. So you are
Yeah.
too young. So you
Yes.
give me your experience, tell me your experience, how you deal with it. You must be having many gynecologists must be
Yeah.
older than you.
Ma'am, actually, for me, I think the most difficult is to keep up with my kids because I still have small kids. So one is in the third standard, one is in fifth
Oh,
standard. So
oh
they
my
are
God.
that small. Yeah. So for me, commitment is a big issue. Like currently, I'm taking classes for the exams. Their upcoming exams, 25th, they're starting. So I'm like every night I'm taking
What
their
is
last
name
minute
of your
revision.
course? So if I get any DNB
It is
student.
called Iram's DNB, ma'am, because
Okay.
it's just DNB
Okay.
started, and it started as a fluke that decided when I was doing DNB that I'll start these classes someday, and hope.
Never call any of your hard work as a fluke. See, you must be having that instinct. Everybody who clears DNB doesn't start course and they doesn't succeed as
Ma'am,
well.
I started first, and now they have other classes also. They've like introduced DNB as well. But I
Hmm.
started only and I've stuck to that only, ma'am. Just the DNB because I want to like I'm doing well. I don't want to like grow a little too much or dissuade from this topic.
Hmm.
And I've been doing fine, though there are many others now that they are like coming up with DNB as well. They are doing their MS, MD, and I don't know PD set and all, and they're also introducing DNB. But
Okay.
me, and I started the first classes for DNB were started by me. So
Hmm.
for me, ma'am, the most difficult is to
When
keep
it
up with
was
commitment.
started? When it was started?
2.5 years back, ma'am.
Oh,
Before Corona, actually.
okay.
Corona helped me in these classes in one way.
Okay. Okay.
Because that is when all these platforms they
Everybody
started
was
coming up.
sitting at home and
Yeah.
they were having enough time.
It helped me. Yes, it helped me. And I didn't have platform, ma'am. You know what? I was thinking before I'm from Gangaram, actually, a product of Gangaram.
Oh,
So I used to think I'll go to Delhi every
I
weekend.
can see that.
So I would like go to Delhi, take classes every weekend, come back, and we used to, do the budgeting. Okay, how will we manage? We'll have to take one room and rent or something like that.
Okay.
Then came these online platforms. That really helped me.
Well,
So that was a big, big thing. See, what you feel finally happens.
so
What you're
as of now, you are taking only online classes or offline as well?
only online, ma'am. No
Online.
offline because like I said, ma'am, for me to get out of my house with
Course
these
is
kids,
very
it's just not
difficult.
easy. So that is a big commitment issue, which I feel. Otherwise, so far so good. Students, the moment they start depending on you, they see your hard work. If you have it in you, ma'am, teaching I would say is a blessing you get from I think God only. You have it, ma'am. So I can totally relate with you that you are so dedicated, and
It
apart from
is
that, you
just
have that
like as you have motherly instinct, no, you have a teacherly instinct as
teacherly
well.
instinct. It's natural, ma'am. I
Yeah.
have seen people who do so well, they're so knowledgeable, but when you ask something, they're not able to explain because they're
Correct,
at such
correct.
level
Absolutely correct.
above you. And we've been there, so we know that okay, this she's having problem here. Okay,
Mm,
she's not able to understand from here. So
yeah.
I feel very bad if I take a bad class or have not prepared well for my class. I've just, cut copy. Now we have so many AI tools who help you out. So just cut copy and paste from there. And did not read it before the class. I feel very
Well,
ashamed of myself.
no.
So for me, the biggest challenge currently is commitment with my time.
Personal and professional life
It's
management.
difficult,
I know, I
to
understand.
balance it out.
They're very small. Actually, third
Yeah.
standard. See, like they might
If
be
you are
needing for every small little thing. They might be looking for where is
Yeah,
my.
yeah, yeah. Abhi bhi, ma'am, I was giving you interview. My maid was standing on my head for the whole interview. I had to ask her to go like this, under the table, like, go from here. Because they might be asking something from her and she's so scared to give them. And
Uh,
she's asking me, can I give them?
can
Go from.
I
So
can,
that's why I used to enjoy your classes after 9 because they used to sleep.
they,
That, yeah.
no. So,
Thank you, ma'am, so
always
much.
welcome, madam.
All of you, actually, all my mentors, and definitely you, because you handled something which I did not know anyhow how to handle it. I was struggling there.
One more thing that few students do admire this thing that they, after attending this labor ward as bar, they find addressing any SD
Yes,
easier. Is
yes,
that true?
that's
How does it
absolutely
help? How does
that's
it help?
absolutely true. Why? Because, ma'am, for me, there are so many times that we've been doing this, role play based station, so it becomes easy because
Yes.
the role play is helping you most of the time. But when it comes to SD, suddenly you'll like, I
Think
have
you
to speak
can't bluff. You have to
one
be.
love. And before the examiner speaks anything, you have to give her a proper history in a formatted way. And that time, if you go haywire, and you can easily go haywire. When you're doing in front of the mentor, it's no stress at least. I mean, I would say if you're feeling stress in front of your mentor, maybe 8 on 10, it becomes 10 on 10 or 11, 12 on 10 in the examination.
No,
So
it's
if you do
20 out
not
of
have a
10.
structured way of handling that task which is written outside, you are going to, spoil the station even before she asks the first question. So
Correct.
your impression comes with this, the way you managed our S bar. I did not know, despite giving MRCPI, I didn't know how to probably say exact S bar.
Okay.
Situation means what? Background exactly means what? You were the one who kind of corrected me. And the best thing about you, ma'am, we were three people in the room, okay, in the class. And for each one, you will ask, now you repeat it. Now you repeat it. Like a small, kids, we were being, mentored. This is called mentoring, actually, ma'am. If we know everything, we've spoken in front of you, say, no, 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 this point is not good, correct it, and you
Hmm.
don't even bother to ask whether we've understood or whether now we are speaking correct, or that's half the job. You used to make it sure that we repeat it in front of you like small kids, and that made a lot of difference, because when we used to speak again and in every class, I mean, I used to enjoy your classes, ma'am, a
Thank you
lot.
so much.
I a
Pleasure is
lot.
all mine.
I
Luckily, all of you, like you, Anusha and Manar, all have cleared the exam. So it was like, yay!
Yes, yay. Anusha was my study buddy because of your classes. Uh,
Okay.
I found that so many of my traits are similar to her. Both of us are very good in camouflaging how nervous we are and pretending
And
that
she's also professor.
yeah, yes, that is the reason. She
Hmm.
also has a edge. So we gelled well a lot. She was with me for a really long, and
You
I was like,
were basically a like-minded students,
yeah,
both of you.
absolutely like-minded in many aspects. I said, Anusha, where were you before this? We could have studied together. But whatever
Okay,
happened
both
now,
of you have cleared in first attempt. What else you want?
yes, that's a huge, huge thing.
Clearing like in first attempt is a big deal. Percentage, I even don't bother about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Doesn't
That's
matter. At the end of the day, everybody is going to write MRCOG.
pass or yeah, yes,
That's it. That's
yes,
it. And
that's
clearing in first attempt, see, appearing again, that 6 months, spending so much of money, compromising your personal life, professional life, children, husband, it's not easy.
yes,
It's not.
that
So one suggestion I would like you to give, or I want to have your opinion. I've seen that just as you paid, like I asked, okay, this is the fees you paid immediately without even a second question, even for uni course also. I've seen students, they just try to look for something cheaper. What's
ma'am,
your
that's
suggestion?
so I would just, oppose that thing like anything, because this is investment for your studies. Do not think twice. I have this a very steady principle in my life, not just because I have my own course designed or something like that. I feel the same thing. They ask for discounts on a course of 3,500 rupees as well. I mean, ma'am, is there a discount running? And I'm like, 3,000 rupees
Yeah,
course?
exactly.
You want that also?
Actually, problem is that now the competition of that level, that like somebody is offering 25,000 for 16 session. I think for me it's not possible because
No.
I spent 3-4 hours minimum in a session, and the way I put my energy, I
Yes, yes.
don't think that it is justified
No, no,
for
ma'am, not
myself.
at all. Not at all.
I always
That's
say, see,
why
appearing
I urge to
again.
everyone, please do not look for the pricing
Right.
at this point in time in your life, because what you're doing is investing in studies. You cannot equate it with money at all, ever. And any mentor,
Moreover, not clearing, again appearing, again compromising professional
exactly,
life,
then,
paying that hefty fees of MRCOG Part
yes,
3 itself.
yes. It's then imagine doing the whole thing all over again because you went
Yeah,
into four courses.
correct.
That's not right. That's absolutely unjustified.
I just only the one thing I really like with this session only, I want to give this message to everyone because this is the m- commonest allegation which I get, ma'am, you're very expensive. Your unique
No,
course is very expensive. Your
not.
group, somebody is giving 25,000, 30,000. I said, if I'm giving something in 45,000, 55,000,
Hmm.
Probably I must be having something different.
Something different. And by now, every mentor knows the other mentor's fee structure, and they've still kept that fee structure. That means they have the belief in their system, not only because they are pricey or expensive. I'll be totally against it if anybody is thinking about price thing over. I understand that after giving multiple attempts, everybody becomes, a little shaky with the money. But I would still urge everyone that it's one shot. Think that it's going to be once.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. Rather than taking small, take one good course and
Good
stick with
goals.
that.
Yes,
Stick with
yes,
that.
absolutely. Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Because it's just like that, you can get coffee in any dhaba as well. And you will get
Yes,
same coffee in like Starbucks or Barista. And
yeah.
they will be like almost 10 times of what you're getting in dhaba. But again, the quality, quantity, the ambience, everything, taste, everything is different.
Yes.
So
Ab-
nothing. So this is one thing, because I cannot bring it down to like say 30,000, 25,000, because I sometimes like I get this instruction from my team and from my like family and this thing. Why you put so much of effort? Why can't you finish any session in 1.5 hours? You were also attending other courses. You hardly like any course, like any session was more than 1.5 hours, 2 hours. You start at 9, you finish at 1. I said, I
Mm,
really don't know how to cut short it.
exactly,
How
exactly.
to cut if
I
somebody
felt,
says something, if someone says something very wrong,
yeah.
I have to correct it. I have to give her lines. I have to present their task until unless like okay, you have done this right, you have done this wrong. You have to do at least.
Yes, ma'am. That's a very, lot of difference between you and the other mentors, because mentors are usually like this. Like I just told you, they just tell you that no, this point you said wrong. They're
Yeah,
not bothered that you corrected it or not, or whether you've understood and whether you're applying it in the next task or not. Maybe you're doing the same
exactly,
mistake in the next task also.
exactly.
Now they're not remembering whether you did the same thing, because they're so dissociated. Ma'am is not. And it's not that she's in front of me. Had I recorded it separately without her being in front of me, I would have said the same thing. We were doctored, we were literally pulled like a small kid to ask and repeat Iram. Now you repeat Anosha, now you repeat Manar. This is how our sessions had been. And it makes sometimes even a small association of 15 days infuses certain lifetime changes in you.
Correct.
Anusha, our batch, we have that respect for structured discussion. And I think everybody will have it by the fag end. Usually people don't appreciate in the beginning because
Beginning.
everyone is so dissociated in their lives that they don't, okay, ho gaya, ye wala bhi ho gaya. But towards the end, you realize how important it is to go step by step. And that, what do I say? That was like infused literally in us at the spinal level by ma'am. And if she's giving extra time, and this is true, it's not that it's coming from her mouth, it's that it's actually true. She just doesn't leave it in mid. Sometimes I used to feel, yeah, ma'am, chodo, koi
Done
baat nahi. Sometimes it
that.
happened that I did not perform, and ma'am probably didn't realize. And Anusha would jump and say, "Ma'am, I didn't say. You didn't ask me." I would like, जाने दो मैम को, मैम भूल गई हैं जल्दी
अभी
जल्दी
पकड़
से
लेंगी
finish हो
अभी कहेंगी दोहराओ भी.
finish हो जल्दी. But ma'am won't. If she remembers that Iram has not spoken, she'll make me speak. I will be like, छोड़ो, मैम भूल गई तो भूल जाने दो. But she will be after everyone. You did not speak, repeat, re-repeat. And if the thing has been spoken from her ebook, she'll make sure that now we speak ourselves. Don't read from there. Just speak yourself. That made a, and it's always a receptivity time that I think was at a max receptivity, that we could take it in, and then had time to utilize it as well. So take all these courses at the right time. It's out of respect. I don't think you should bargain with any mentor for price. That's very disrespectful. I don't feel like speaking a word extra to my mentors when it's about the money, because you're investing in such a huge thing. Vidya, I think this is how we call it. That's no negotiations, non-negotiable when it comes to pricings. I don't think anybody should go behind that. I understand everyone is tight money at some point in
So
time,
they can
but
pay
it's
in
more than,
installments. We have all these
yeah,
facilities. They can pay
installments.
in
Yes,
installment. We can
installments.
pay.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Everybody is going to help you only. Every mentor wants to help
Yeah.
you.
Yeah,
Just give them
definitely.
an opportunity and do not unnecessarily, bargain on money that's very, very low, actually.
And what's your suggestion about buying multiple courses, which is a trend now?
I don't think that really works. It confuses you more.
More,
I
correct.
think Max 2 mentors, maybe I would say it would be okay if you are not satisfied, that also.
Correct.
But multiple courses, they never help. They confuse you more. You did the same station from this mentor, you're trying to do the same station from the other mentor, you'll only end up getting confused because certain things they find important, certain times they find they have a twisted question, they have a twisted question. Not everybody gets the exact question which came in the
Correct.
exam.
Absolutely.
So I don't think that's a good idea. Trust your mentors. They will
Yeah, that's the big thing. Trust your
trust them.
mentor.
Trust God's. You know, this everything is spiritually connected. If you trust God, He'll make things happen to you. Trust yourself, and everything will line in the path.
Exactly.
You will be
Exactly.
sent those people who will help
Correct.
you.
Correct.
So do not sway. I think that
Right.
will be my message.
Okay, so keep in touch, Adam. It was
Sure, ma'am. Sure,
you are
definitely.
the first one I'm taking the Zoom session after this result, and
Thank you,
it's really
ma'am.
been so lovely.
I love you, ma'am. I love you, and I'll always stay in touch. It was a brilliant experience to be
So
connected.
whenever you come to Delhi, Gurgaon, do
Sure,
meet.
sure. I'll call you.
Okay, take care.
Okay,
Bye bye.
ma'am. Thank you.
Nice
Bye-bye.
having you. Take care. Thank you.
Okay.